Did you guys know that you can actually use hydrogen peroxide and baking soda to bleach your hair? Honestly, I'm shocked. I'm surprised. So I wasted all this money to go to the beauty supply store to buy me some product to bleach my hair or to dye my hair, and I still couldn't achieve anything. Even though my hair color changed a little bit, but that is not the color that I was looking for. So in my research, I found out I can actually use hydrogen peroxide and baking soda to bleach your hair to achieve a blonde look. Let's not do too much talking and just get straight into the video. So first of all, I'm going to put in some baking soda. I hope this works. Pour some hydrogen peroxide into the baking soda. Add it to the baking soda. I hope I'm not crazy and it works. So what I did is I poured some baking soda into the bowl and I added some hydrogen peroxide. It's too watery. Let me add a little bit more. I think I need more because I don't want to do this mixture in. So all I did is put some hydrogen peroxide in a bowl and mix. Add baking soda, mix it. Does it really work? I have this thick consistency. I'm gonna sometimes you gotta take a risk. So I'm taking a risk. I don't have gloves, but I'm still gonna use my hand to do it. Let's see if this works. So I'm gonna apply it all over my hair. I need to be careful because I got clothes here. So I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll be right back with the result. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've applied it all into my hair and I've secured it with a shower cap. That's basically what everybody was doing. It says that I should wait for 20 to 30 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, so I have 20 more minutes to go and we'll see. Hopefully it works. Do you guys see any changes so far? Okay, so I'm gonna wait for about 20 more minutes and I'll wash my hair and come show you guys the result. So I'm back. It's been about 30 minutes now and let's see. Do you guys see any changes yet? I don't want to make a mess, so I'm not going to take it off. I'm not going to take off the shower cap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's working. Okay, so maybe I want it a little bit more. I'm gonna wait for about 5 minutes more, wash my hair and come back with a final result. So this is the finished look and I think my hair is brighter than it was before. Here, it lightened my hair a little bit, which I'm super excited about, even though I still didn't get the blonde look, but I like it so far. It's better than nothing. So if you did enjoy this video, kindly give me a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here or if you haven't subscribed, and click the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.